Dodo na ne tena ka mu kwanten akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu se wo benya ni nyina wo faako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfaako sika so ne mpatamu anase achimota la pass ekosi nsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane anase ade bia wo pebia. So wo koton ko ade a ene bebia wo se wo tu a eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto. All call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. That beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Check it. Put sugar level for check it. Check it. Check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay way, now pay DN. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Making every song and music.
Relax shit. Give them nation. I saw them wanting money man again. Get them. Remember my go one pen. Remember me and no one pen. I'm on me and son and I know. Let's see how that's one pen. Remember my go one pen. Remember me and no one pen. I'm on me and son and I know. Let's see how that's one pen. I said man, come in and so try. Come in and so try. What's the mean? Come in and so try. I thought I was she got Bella. I thought I'm too never minute. I think it's in Nanga. Only me near go on the Biasha. Where do you go? I didn't. Ben and Grover. Afraid you're charging a garden. Ben and Grover. Why my people down there? Afraid you ain't still nothing. Why my people down there? Afraid you ain't still nothing. Why my people down there? Afraid you ain't still nothing. I don't you really watch under. So we ain't no mission center. Say I'm a boko sangwa. So when you want me to me danda. I don't you really watch under. So we ain't no mission center. I'm a little super allergy. Allergy to the moyai. Now you brought me a jenny. I said you brought me a jenny. I'm a little super allergy. Allergy to me a candy, get up. I say, man, come in, so try. Come in, so try. Come in, so try. I say, man, come in, so try. Come in, so try. Come in, so try. I say, man, come in, so try. Come in, so try. Come in, so try. I say, man, come in, so try. Come in, so try. Come in, so try. I thought I'm one she got better. I thought I'm two never minute. I took it in Nagata. Only me near going to be a shot. Where the garden, men and Grover. Afraid the garden, men and Grover. Why my people them there? Afraid the is you nothing. Why my people them there? Afraid the is you nothing. It's you nothing. Why my people them there? Why my people them there? Afraid the is you nothing.
A very beautiful song and a video coming from Velashi, and I believe says Abranti Roshia Samini. Now Samini to me blessing 1 or 2 be a bit in Dinako. A trip papa because the style and Samini was some similarities be, and I believe say Onya sa Kweko Flake ne Kusiata blessing Livia a bit in Yako. And then no be argument Zula on our tone. Mamni Zula starting come away. Zula the autonomous. Obi argument say Kweko Flake or overshine Kwesiata Yamba. On the back of bois. And a Barry neck and Barry. Look the bank that statement. Who's Mr. Victor? And the Busai. And now we confirm. Yeah, it's true. And now we Roland tries to obey. No, you're right. And I make us a credit. No, you're right. So this is Showbiz Daily, and Zola is telling us whether Kweko Flake has outshined a friend saying Kwesiata na. Break down it saying can you hear me?
Over the years now, Kwesiata he has worked so for Kweko Flake to outshine Kwesiata, he needs more work. Kweko Flake is having a bad man, fine, but still, Kwesiata is still there. Talking about his songs, Kwesiata and Joe Boy is still banging. Kwesiata, yes. And you can put a show iTunes apart from Ghana. Yes, that's song. Who share top 10 Google Play, top 10 Spotify, and I say be a chat in Mbona. The number of playlists are Kwesiata one. We need half crap. We know Kweko Flake for money. After money, we are dropping you with come using you now, but it's no way. Yeah. It's on dude.
Nana, also when is a Kweko Flake Kwesiata competition?
I think I will agree with what Zola is saying. I don't know why people want to raise that early argument because in do that time now I was saying compare say we outshining Kwesiata now say outshining fine. Almost similarities. Yes, but do the time I Rebecca said the Kwesiata to one the Kweko Flake at one yes rating a crowd because I think Kwesiata has over the years why actually a lot. And he say you can say they say on paper cry the pen to so me I can say okay we are achieve we are say just research arguments and then
okay Costco mami tie wakasa na
somebody brother I mean say if on a more serious note we are making this comparison I think as usual I'll call it bogus. Yeah, because it is neither here nor there because okay Kwesiata Bibia muntu mi fa Kweko Flake compare BBM just send star na na say ababeshia but BBM muntu mi fa compare no that it's your new year sir only first jack only impuna.
All right, this is Showbiz Daily. Remember, we are live on Kingdom TV, Sammy Flex TV, streaming live on YouTube as well. My name is Sammy Flex, and today's show I'm working with Zola. Zola is here. He's a music digital marketer. Nana Reagan is also here. He's a publicist and a promoter, as well as a movie director and entertainment analyst. Koskoli. Show put together by Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, Yala PG, and Tina Baby, as well as Gideon Neelam Tyson. Wait, meaning say my friend no a viral video of the day, and my friend is a breaking news. So my friend is a nipa bi na edin sem ho a. I'm about to show you a video. Now, me the video which one person also try wadwe because Ghana no yen nyina na ye hye. And chain nipa bi a board dumping. E chinchin ye say fix the country, fix the country, fix the country. In fact, a Korean brother will be too nasty. In the name of the country, will be too nasty. Nyamine Buano, and then I know she was there. I can't name my Nyamine Buano. Now, when I buy penny for okay, you make sure you fix the country. Now, someone him say, Pokuas interchange. Now, the Danko Akufo-Addo NPP government. Oh my idea. In fact, a dream never found him. A dream now, Namon, Kanya, and send you Choguni, a corner ye, Yadam, but Yapi, me for Chahona. Efe. Now, video be a producer, they tell me, you see, I didn't have position. Say, a nipper be day. I knew that in there, friend, I can't watch them. I'm the one that need chopper. I'm the one that need chopper. No, I just can't understand this. Like that door.
Where you touching door?
No. Me person the JD. Director Richie Flex just shot video now. Me team a pound for almost because I don't want to believe this. Like how is this happening? Let's watch this video right here, and when we come back, I'll get the opinion of my panel members. Maybe some say, "Bibi say no, like what? Is it poverty? Is it madness? Is it the fact that we are just dirty, or we don't want to grow like civilization here lacking here now?" When you watch the video, let me get your opinion on our WhatsApp number on the screen. It is 024-351-4732. And around the world, those who are watching live on YouTube, remember you can also comment to be part of this. It is called Showbiz Daily. Here we do more show business. It is live on Sammy Flex TV YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, get more videos, and also live on King Tom TV, Ghana's finest television station. That is King Tom TV. Let's watch this. We'll come back. We'll be discussing Abonkomo. Alright, Showbiz Daily, but let's treat this as Betomu video bina Kabibi. Like I said, Pokuasi interchange and Chayempo na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Okobiano ye na ye niaje after all Mahama ye Dubai cycle there no Akufo-Addo so away. In fact, Matise Tamale dey bi poba e ba sana progress development e ba omanimu sana amaya ye fix the country by name yi na Zola dey ye hu. First of all, I am padi. Me say me who videos online. I am mystery because it do it me baba ko shop so then yes na fake. I am pa. Who information be tell this video I am pa.
So rather me I am pa to the extent that we group in SBA.
Okay.
And then I think the Honor move video first, and then your guys are more fee
that side of town. Okay.
And you know only do na so you start your full year. Na guy was no you be real. So guy you can send in video just say chale ampa. Which is na guy no craft so coffee. So send in video just say ampa. Yes, like guy in a video like something like a selfie video.
Okay.
Because the name on
yeah.
But we do no. Then section here say
eye babia overhead na se no e no no akobie choba ho ne choba na nyese de ano aduane afirifie na ye ton tegu bi wi aya kwa no o ye nkwan wo ho ye go fufu ho
that I'm so the same thing yo I said night man
e dey do no asesa ne wo man ne ni konko kana be si o enti e dan yo hia
ejimi
Jimmy
Jimmy was that way if any infinition put us we not quite change baby boy yeah I'm so when you if you here but Jimmy was up now you hear to miniati but when you be fine because almost don't turn these beats need for wanting to be set up on and you because we don't say me ni bi wa go dey 1 cd 5 cd am on kwan so mo yen ti go hwemu makomo bi kra 5 cd so 10 cd no dey san dey but yeah but they also say me ejimi enyaza bi enim one the aware Ghana dey
and that is supposed to be a pedestrian walkway because we said Brad Diba because of a move with the also far kwan so I think that video that guy will come because of a move you just see it's supposed to be a pedestrian walk
that's I mean ejimi
na o say ya chill
ya chill
bawo na ya chino
bawo na ni no wo
ni o na na ni
go you can no didi cry
o say achi o
yo so mo no am kan business ni go he na
David amom didi na say achi
oh I say yo so mo fast brother me go be argument this one between passenger and then the driver and na passenger ni ka driver say na mo dey na mo dey say passenger na kan no so be si wa ha munsi wo ba bia mu pe na musi no na driver ni bisa so we nipa so onya so no say no say me say if me pesca na sika ne da bibia enya me as if u passenger no gina bibia onim say engine mfa car u be gina ho me fa but that means who at that moment who passenger na onim nya say because onim say bus stop we ni me also nantiko but if me trigger na kan so be si o bibia e ho nya na I was say me tell say me wonya na tinti me gina ho bibia ye ngina no I was saying go see what bus stop.
Wow.
Yes, meaning that only him said you was driver no complain said yeah bus stop near stations see what yeah bus stop near stations see what no home. I was say muko jina faka but omunko the driver made reference to Achimota new station on my he said I say a good because before say point omunko
sa top one
yes omunko don't be jina go ntimi so me pesca na say o see me see wo ha me mfa wo ha me fa because me see wo I was me chose me wonya sa chonti me see wo me go see wo
but I see this same total drivers you are talking about okaso see wo on see wo ba page now also person
the same thing
at the moment no watch say wo jimi don't be bo am we jimi simple obe bo am we jimi
no there is ka wo
no there is going to say wo this one so be chose and nyansa no I no go see wo pastor ko pa ka e na family
ba e bebre Nana onti we hu ade na about it sa de e kosi
that's I mean me hu a na e mare ho pa because you see when Timamu focus on more brain na amount penny for fix a country na and I say fix system na nye robot system na nipa nipa dan bi na yesi so wo koda dan ko hye dan mu die nkrofo we mu nim na mo make sure say ade we nyi ejuma nti adwen ina wo say sesa dan no u penti ne foforo na wa adwen ansesa system no still nyi ejuma nti bia me nti dan ye fix the country ne omo say fix your mindset issues why this dynamic I say the two are bedmates it should work together they be nie Juma Honorable Henry Cote Accra.
Yeah.
For the first time, whom even opposition party members are more posting man they say, this man is really working for the capital city.
Yeah.
You nina posting say be ya omo madam Juma so omo ase be omo ntimi fix your man omo aban mu. Omo so mo benya adesua bi wo papa no say chale say na timamufo no kra say omo kra papa no kra po na Juma ye so mo nti yenso ye nsuam. Ne papa ye juma o ye ni na wo so ye timi ni wo na so won chiri mpenifo won sambo a no na wo say out of ahonchewe ohia dambo ohia bone dam na wa sa asesa won kuku nkaka na wo de pako si we apart from say
enkwan so si jaso on chen
yes apart from say oye oman na abro no wa crap no nkwa kra ho hia ka biti fa sisi a unina mo sika na wo pe o den open no esi esi o
na o si en che mo di ufo ne so
yeah bros I say e che mu ni na won say ti o say mami ko tena we the only thing about my wakakotena is the first of all the obeshan say nkofo twemu apa
yes
odiko si ono e na nkofo twemu apa no bia anto ne bia for even a day crap anka de chen kwa on bedu ko be ko be bia nkofo twemu aye be
oba no bon pai o oba pai le ko to ni mama ko be to
if I know, was then they said to me, can I say, I'm not going to crash you to no cock or yeah. But I say, Uncle, you know, could be uncle, uncle, commit me as a son, Joe, Chalacra, go put you with the better, some much money now. And maybe not my name will be you can be a dim come now. You didn't come about this footbridge as some year, Nazula can ya. And I'll cast yet maybe once me put am raise enkofo e dey we omo ye road dey aso mercy footbridge no way e chire pa on so hwe Ghana for dem mutimu ya mode o oso ko Europe ni baby a obetimi na ante be se fiti akọ Antieku Santa Maria eko food train eko jina bus stop train bus be ha no mo no yesi sabo ni nyamanyama ni na be ha no obuka so bi 19 fi so to police station bra chop ba kra me footbridge atam de obedi
since nani anwonwan no na still mafro
wow I think say we no so expose timamuni no so na ni timpo ana na adwen ekitam no so was say because say empenifo no mo osoro no o ma adwen sisan na ye wa ase ya adwen yese ya so no mind be konechi.
Okay, there is another angle I want to ask Cosco Lee. Say yeah blaming my men on your mom with the phoning na no Cosco, do you also think that like a system nang so ya and can my manifest from ka starting po and ko bet me starting and can find say if really I buy any war can mean you word name saying abandoning that form, yes that's the right word, abandoning that form pa and can my bet me start because this is not the first time when you day one. In fact, send away to me I set up table there that means we wait man na area 1 month or 2 months to come. If the system is also active, abandoning the former and can my minimum bet me start in the first place.
Masa maji mama
me that said that was so and that was so. Just an anger I'm asking. You wait not breaking it down.
My cancer say before Ghana you beat me. I ain't you know. I just say you come nyina. Oh, in fact, I can't have name to kum. But I'm telling you, I say she no. Dogs in the swam, anything from Ghana. I'm telling you, nothing scares us. Nothing. We been one more a fighting, nothing. Yene back to system na work say from the one and na yinim say traffic is so yellow now cross so but you can go you be a better one so yellow na wa shall say apply brake no one can I had so yellow no they are 260 because are yellow you now go break I bet you oh no because because there is no tracking system. Say police didn't come from motor anchiwa no kwa what from when you free but bro cho ti fear no your email you have to appear letter down and you know na ma so we conscious so I had him say akwata ho na ma wo ye no o so hwe said the zola kan e say kwa o mo bi 5 cities o so hwe and but I mean so what your mom yes anema we ya often no illiterate ni kwa na yes excuse my word illiterate ni kwa na yes
but omo manko school
yes en kwa na yes hwe obi a wapo oh that's mostly me see mostly me can say entirely obi a dodo na omo akọ school at least we SS kwa wa failing po no onye san kwasem we they wa failing po krambo no they were failing. And then SS and been free say, a copy certificate in Guafa Jumo, there be. Am I enlightened? Oh no, that's why I'm supporting free SHS. No, and yes, certificate say Guafa Juman. I'm going to be. I did work on ferry experience. And I'm ferry in person walk all year secondary school. What's not a kind of saying we are say what to Charlie. I know betting you. And I make sure say don't do nine. And yet, her brass I mean, Oko US New Europa. You were I'm not from what Jimmy Crassin at Hanum say. But the system is compelling them to do the right thing. And what Jimmy Chay you? So down what you will be, you know. But from the onset, no system, no SK or no.
Yeah. So even they will hide.
Yes, they will hide it. But you need to pay them back in my kitchen or tea. What banner who come for that and Quaban is some wine. That's what we do for Grantus. When you move, as some company, you don't 200 years. Some control for no more. Yes, I the Regan kind. I could be that missing good. That's a said the Regan kind. No, say I guess what's nice. And for one day will be on Tobia. Yes, and Becon Agin, say any hammer ten yet. Oh no, they are quay, you have Quabania Punsis, your children. No, a watching quite from here. Or people before the parents are before the day. That's say, would see who follow news, city news in San Conebana. Omoko out now some interview people now about this COVID-19. We still have people who do believe say there's no virus.
I'm saying politics.
Brasame, we do touch what make you na as say young queen. Let's kill us. Young queen. Because mentality no because at the point of them they are corrupted do no. It will repair. We can never repair them. I just will walk one night. I know who poke cry says so. I'm going to say, you just say, oh, my man for. That's how serious. Because I never question. Say, I question her, brother. I question her person. We are farm. Okwa, offer Abia tractor, and I say, be an enemy. Now, what done assassin any kakra, and send a boy be a soy and a fair to be a whooping. Sana say, oh my God. It's you queen, you done be beer, you great dining in to be beer flat. Never from the Metan and I want Ghana for. In fact, I didn't get a some son. Because I didn't know, and Panifono, Brasame, yeah, face the country in Colbania, you have almost. Oh, yeah, because someone says, Jimmy, Jimmy. I'm telling you, and it is not like they don't know what to do, and that's someone the right thing to do. But when they look back, I'm going to shut down one of them now. I go for more. So they take like animals. Oh, Jimmy. They take advantage. Oh, Jimmy. San and it is true. Because a penny movie at one or for 4 moon year. About what's up for him one. And one of Yana. You don't because you a fumo. A fumo. This one was I know about catch yourself. About catch yourself, you make any guarantee of question or yes, I'm passing music. Okay, Koskoli Yanshi and Indian Pacho. Yes, I mean, Missy Yanshi Yang. Yes,
Anyway, so what do you think will be the solution? It sounds so shame. It will become. What do you think will be the solution? Feel free and join the show. We are live on YouTube and Kintom TV. Put down your comments, and those who are watching on TV can also give us their WhatsApp message. Same way, you can link up and let's do this. But let me also announce that if you are looking for quality but affordable music video, Sammy Flex TV, Kojokin Promotions, we are doing this to support artists. We say COVID by the industry now style will be a comedy will be a and still I'll see a Jumano. That's why we've made it so easy. Get a music video, a package of 2,000 Ghana cedis from a fine location. About we will do this for you just to make sure also and you Jumano can be a video YouTube now show is there to show me. Call the number on the screen now 0249 817-182 0249-817-182. Sammy Flex TV is part of this, so we will surely make it happen. Now let's move on into our next discussion. Our next discussion, if we Nigeria nearby, na it say and come away angles need two. A beckoning na a big this and come away from 2 angles. Rich, when your time I know a man for whom a branch and I can once Jim Ike, a popular actor. In fact, we are safe and now be at the main castle Nigeria, main castle Ghana. Because I'm sure when Jim Ike steps in Liberia, he will be noticed. When he steps in America, he'll be noticed. US, like London, he'll be noticed. Everywhere, Jim Ike be Kobiano, he'll be noticed because Nollywood movies, one of the strongest movies in the world. Nollywood, Nigeria movie making, and one of the strongest movie brands in the world. And he said, it's not be surprising. Come on, 2 angles, Nini. Aha, Branty way, fine boy. Aha, fine boy. And you require a chop, Grandma for say, as a person, na dear boy, some sorry, your moon and celebrate. Almost said that it according to them. I know they made a nim, Namin Shehobi. I will find my pan.
You and I were not there.
You and I were not there. Not at all. Now, the other said, your baby video be actual. Branty, Jim Ike, or say, Akwabi. No, so I know who said the social media. Now, no, okay, can't you open? But train, you kind and share script via or Troy, on the Instagram handle. Now, me reading script no or acting a video, and also. So let me read this for you. And Richie Pato screen is there now. You can go say. Hey, follow me, Panzu. I see. Okay, all the album, the Amodos. I want to say actor.
Yeah, I want to say actor.
Ochi Maduagu. Uchi Maduagu. I say, please, nobody should beg me on this matter because I've already made up my mind on this issue. Is Jim Ike the only one in Nollywood? Look at the expensive lifestyle they live up and down Lagos and Abuja. Someone told me he know they buy expensive clothes from Niger again. He now imports the most expensive ones abroad. Please, what is his source of wealth again? Any day we meet or I see, I go use my Abuja connection to beg EFCC boss to invite him. We never recover from what Hush Puppy do us. Now this one is changing expensive cars up and down like Hush Puppy of movie industry. Even if they pay me 10 million naira to enter movie location with him, if he no tell us his source of wealth, I go refuse. And no hashtag give 1,000, including Yoruba movies. Now, and see wow, and no ye video na asem na opeso kano. Okay, let's watch the video now. So I've told you we are discussing this particular story from 2 main angles, and I know you would enjoy and love this. Watch this. We'll be back.
Oh boy, see me. Best dress. Look at my shoe. Just check on my shoe. Look at my dress. If I tell you how much I buy this cloth, look at me. Just look at me. I don't even understand why they never put me for best dress for Nollywood or for Nigeria. Every time Hush Puppy, every time Cubana, every time G-Mike. You know what they do to make their money? Do you know what they do? Shebi now they don't catch Hush Puppy. They don't catch him now. They go catch others. Just wait, especially that G-Mike. I won't make them catch him. Small thing, he will disappear. You don't go see him. Before you know, you don't come back. Money full every year. What is he doing? What are you doing for living? I'm sure that G-Mike is a ritualist. If he's not a ritualist, where does he get money? He go buy motor. Go and look at the car he's driving. Go and look at it. The expensive. How much? Where is he making it? Me, I make my money legally. Now I hear say G-Mike no fit enter America. Why? Because you don't go do people wayo. I'm praying they will catch you very soon. Tell us how you make your money. Come and tell us. They will catch you very soon. Just look at me. I'll be going on a movie location now. Check out my shoe. If I tell you how much I buy them, I'm the best. I'm the best dressed. Make all these people make them come on, make them retire, make them leave us. We don't know how they make their money. Jim Ike, do you know how he make his money? Cubana, you know how he make his money? They don't catch Hush Puppy now. They will catch Jim Ike very soon. I beg, make I feel myself. Money is good. We are the real guys, not all these old cargo guys. When we say we don't know how they make their money. Look at me.
All right, enti Abrantie ono and our starting comedy kika say Jim Ike no ono enega Nollywood movie industry the no ahia na eko movies ahia na ye shooting ono cars akese Lagos na Abuja and they say no chifa no chifa. I say the same tarimpu. I no on to be Nigeria. I better tari aji Akrefri, Turkey, London, USA, no say. Until the level ni there were breaky obia meno. Now when I'm say bra say hey me Jim I can movies me bo am for from now. I come what them say. And I'm so share akwana na say ni field say ni office or kwachi no. They see here so let's watch this. We'll come back to discuss the two angles I've told you we are doing this discussion from.
You know that I'm here. Wait. Why did I know you're here? You know that I'm here. Wait. Why did I know you're here? You think I won't find you? You think it's not around? It's not around. You allow this animal. What's he doing here? EFC will carry you for this way you come here. You know they are looking for you. What is he doing here? I don't mind. My phone is right out. You sue me. You sue me. What did you wait for? You sue me. Yes, you bring him out. Okay, you know what? I want to talk to you. Okay, are you holding me? Maybe you think that's why you are here. Hold it. You know that I'm here. Wait. Why did I know you're here? You think I won't find you? You think it's not around? It's not around. You allow this animal. What's he doing here? EFC will carry you for this way you come here. You know they are looking for you. What is he doing here? I don't mind. My phone is right out. You sue me. What did you wait for? You sue me. Yes, you bring him out. Okay, you know what? I want to talk to you. Okay, are you holding me? Maybe you think that's why you are here. Hold it. Hey. You know that I'm here.
In fact, it wasn't a movie. In case if you have a feeling, Coach Coley TNT. If you are not movie, Coach Coley new movie or the bad promote. It wasn't a movie. It was real action, like it happened. Of course, so far. Now, Uncle Sam Pessi discussing Komoini. First one here. Oma Obi Wansem. Omutimi yen World Cup or social media platforms no. We name maybe bit me at home dachi. Obi timi fa obi asem na wa yen the World Cup like if funny say or ye hash papi name mpo a o die that ye china enya ofufo o ba na obedi ama ho ato I no kekeke and I'm in chapter repa look at my shoe is expensive and what is he doing and then akopie ni sa and the first angle social media activities mo aboti social media obi a 70 million mo dibana de dia mozino and no your first one now second one here e go for me so adwin say Nigeria for podi e bonisia media no vampie we yakọ Nigeria or Yakobi yanko Nigeria yet Ghana ye so to me na ye niema and I we asi etomam feel say Nigeria dey asemboni isi wo no we den na beduru ha ayenso ye hwe. And all the time making sure say the Ghanaian media is always demonized. Sako they call your friend is saying Kenya presenter bia senatron nim sehungu anon bisano. Obimpo bisa na say Victoria Kimani mpo ya say Sako dey owe. And as this Sako dey so David me dey Tracy Ntimeri obia na say Kisaki ya dance. Tracy Ntimeri obia. Sani mari na Ghana for the kaka hey ye bizan sim. Two angles. Yan pampi na Regan Beef Nation. Yan twaso. Every hall.
That's I made for the I think say for some few days I am posting me share that follow Nigerians for the pages maybe among those social media bloggers. And there's one particular I think say CTV or say CFI, no, I'm not too sure. Or no okoni pages were negative stories. The only positive thing I'll be who you say ABA wako party.
And do you have to call it negative stories? I also can say happenings.
No, because I'm using negative stories because of that conversation. Okay. You move be mutimi to kwa Nigeria for any place matter or so mo fall for. Yes. One say Nigeria honum they be am make say wa unim say Nigeria for sebe mudin sem hunu social media. Maybe either say pay attention to Nigeria for and now obi a follow trend won say we Ghana ni a e bia we ni di Ghana for nsem nko enti nti mo se fi asas na ga mo ne wa mo no mo ye nyama na we ni die no nko echi no na we adwen we ni wo so. That is why you can complain. But if you want to follow other places and make comparison, then you need to make sure say what follow then you say who assume say because say on say on kan ye unhu ye nti no e bia bibiansi. There are a lot of things happening. Me they be America say me who Ghana for beef apart from sister no sister Fiane Frida Ryan yes
tripartite beef no.
I think say me I've read about Nigerian beefs are getting physical more than yes more than Ghanaians. Shatawale ni Samini. Me who physical blues be between the two. Stone Boy ni na. I no come for enya Tiger. Wow. Eti me pese me kan say
That's not congratulate you now. Before congratulating.
Na nyama ye.
Stone Boy wait before congratulating.
Yes, na nyama ye. Beef ni ebisi o baby ya. Ye nipa said the yeti sometimes obi ni koskoli enya adwen. So no be so Nigeria or ni obi nya adwen. But me this particular story me ye uche ku se hwana mo ni uche hwana mana. Brasa me we eye Jimmy o. Uche madungu.
Uche maduagu.
Uche
maduagu.
Ni dini ni suban ya ma we. Edi won eye Jimmy edini e basa anti like
but he looks familiar. That's our back Ghana movie industry in that.
Brasa me only dey time make asa.
Minim dey all kind of ba say wa baby bi Canada.
Brasa me we follow story we
familiar.
Fine, social media feed ne nyama timisisi. Most of the time say ya obehwa ya ntokwa ye si wo social media so no. Impedodo na ya na ebimu wo link ne affiliations be the reasons be out in so okay or kokro nana we gane akwa we ekun because of akwana kwambra me asem. Zola ni we ekun because o what say be akwa we akan ai edin nsem hu na che na rega. Ebia me because of many no relationship be want on tena o se for many chichi form.
Yeah.
And no yeah danche. But who follow akwa we story ya. Utumu say Jimmy Kenya no show.
David.
Otinifie na ono atinifie adin so no to atade ono so your best dress that when I Nollywood. Me na me your best dress. Eh den na wo Jim Ike. Utimi to atade ma ne boy e den chen be de. Enye be no. Itokona no. Na be no say ma logika.
No me te so ka.
No say we no say I am the best dress in Nollywood.
You know how much about this?
Do you know how much I bought this shirt? It is just because Obi enim how much you bought your shirt. Obi etimi ato de ususu wo trim say.
And you are also claiming you have money. And you are only doing Nollywood.
Until Jim Ike atoka won so wakoto car. Okoshema na wakoto car. Okoshema na waye shop mo abroche no de abanti no. Oye ritualist. Enye sa one hash papi na ejuma. We be you. I say brasa mo sorry ya okọ ejuma, o sorry ya ma chi okọ ejuma e be obi tini fie o. No calculate you. Sorry ba na e na weekend bia Friday bia na black label ni cook. Na dey zalo for no ko wuchi am say. E na me sorry na mo nko na me we. Be ye ni Jimmy because o de enye say wunim for a fact say okay Jamaica ekotwa senior oji say Jamaica enye investment bia obebia Jamaica ejuma oye no onya 1 cedi into 1 cedi so saving for a year crap na 12 cedis into no kwa so timi to atade a 15 cedis every month then unim sa nyama we are then obi tietche no otiewu na wo kan sema it makes sense eno crop na kan fa ho anka CTV o say 114 na ogbo mu din EFCC for omo na say o so omo hwe na Jim Ike life no ene ebia na ejuma ne we bi embo ebra omo na wo so mo run some investigations
yeah
enye wo a wo tu baby Jim Ike mekao eye pe na Jim Ike crap on did what them say ebia blog be an as organization be on Nollywood no more you as best dress.
Yeah.
And on yes our competition so on see I say the into you best because on no to there $10,000 and I want $5,000 and yes our argument in the crowd and also making sense kakra but we no nipa ni be on no win competition bia o mo wudin wo be bia and to dey say what na one wa assume keke say ne cars auto ne boy heading intade o she boy heading ne lifestyle o live on Nollywood no is too expensive into no a ritualist.
So he deserves the beating.
Oh, brother, we may have impaired violence, but this particular violence, we deserve it. And why lucky say Jim Ike no ono the oba so ba be boss to na so be boblo. Ebe we obi anko bank the two ne be.
Yeah, kapa no we.
Pa now da ono wo.
Just abeko jail no penny asem no.
Say obu ono man, na me ya make no. No, ensem to nkrofo so ha obi a e de na koma so mo. Ask yourself say bia we kwa bekom o sha se enye no. Busan sa de na afi na she might yes or be hwehwe no. Obi hu bebi o wa akakọ na so wa koyi ni bibi. Ebi wa ya o ebi o start here pro no starting na 80,000 views. Instead or say ni panade likes any hype. And then our sir. So be born a brand. Now we make it allegations are only in so bia. All because we see na some ni brain na all ye ni na che say J-Mike etwi kasa kese. Otonta dia onimejuma
na udinachi edu anajo ade nete ne ifi
udinachi zona tu o man phone nim say ebi mu crop nim ni say oton nyum wo digital platforms of it but unim other business that zola na say any anokofa wa na
is it called as deep up
zola say be how is le go what I say e ti dem never so wu nim no men tena won ka say oh minim ni say o sorry ono the pandit so to ma agency ranti sa ni juma na o ye ni kwan say ti mi ma ni sika obetimi dey ato camera.
Now, sa perception be almost say Ghanaian media we only publish negative and now we are only interested in negative. No, looking at this, it is also in Nigerian media.
Brother, baby, and America said sometimes our people they just say those things out of assumptions. Or follow say okay, my follow Nigeria for best from January to December. Meaning so this particular blog and I said this particular media house. Or can negative be for Nigeria be on that. Obi no yes argument no betimi dey say Sinibu na amaye record say from January to December ebia so beat FM wo Nigeria omunye negative omun running any negative story media na share that na say media make kwa running negative story about Samiflex no ebia wona waka hu asem na aba na media na reporting and I say bia one wa ba live say dey wo din sem hunu we Instagram wo ye video na so obi go try say wo din sem hunu wona wo say why allegation say J-Mike aye say na say J-Mike enso call live for Instagram and no so to mane wa na no obi tro e report dia moye wo honom na e media na ahye dem no ahye da ka say oba be tro say na moye
media name hwe. Thank you Nana Reagan beef nation president and also Ameya who say we beef ni wom spiced one pound. Let me also read from you on WhatsApp 0243514732. This is Showbiz Daily. You are watching this live on Samiflex TV on YouTube. Why don't you subscribe for more videos? And again, live on King Tom TV. Let me also get your live comment on YouTube. Kuskoli, Yentwaso. These two angles, the fact that social media, Kofobisha that Jimmy or unnecessarily. In fact, if you walk Rumua, when you move back or timeline, Obia will be back on timeline. Obia ni back on. Me say meet my back with Dimpa. Me go ni Bobia or just that of me movement here. Okay. Go school.
Yes, many are mad. But few are roaming. Acquire a video which one. Clearly, with him so mental disorder. Yes. Ocean ye pan. I don't know how you know. Now, this is beyond witchcraft. Or mental disorder. Because that's an argument mechanical crap. Because yes, I don't know any answer. Say J-Mike, a ritualist. or a cocaine dealer, or whatever, we need evidence be. And now, when kum or say, where ritualist in Bomikum, Busuni, one just what Kukum will answer, Chinukuta with a human part be. And we are upon it. Oh, Ahoya and Libre, a bay. Ahoya and Libre, a bay. Clearly, Sana, gentleman, the best watch there. Also, you wear the most expensive clothes. Nollywood. Shawadi. Jim Ike's Obeka name for outside. Manasunya Nadia. Say EFF was a EFCC for China. And you was him.
Yeah.
Manim Bonebra. It is and I'm waiting. That's a commentator disorder. My memory, we so media will say. Nobody is saying Nigeria don't publish negative happenings. Nobody is saying that. But what we keep saying is clearly they project more positive stuff as compared to how they shoot the negative way saying. Oh, by your hand, saying that. But it's not like that. We're part of the media. But it's not like that.
Okay, so the EFCC, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission at Ghana
Yoko, yeah.
Economic and Financial Crimes Commission as a Ghana Yoko, the Nigeria version of Yoko. No.
Oh, brother, I mean, say, let's not try to be hypocrite. You say the Ghana Hanum say you need negative. Recently by an example. Sako de koye. Why yenny my papa wa cancer papa be. Busang said the media project positive things, you know, as compared to one line nearby. As at now, radio stations that's what discussing blaster Sarkodia. So I can say Ghanaians don't hold on to moment. I say with you. As soon as you walk, shows or show crumple, Emma Dividu. How many media platforms they project? Oh, Kenya. Wakoya interview on a power winning Korebanina. How many media platforms and they project? But we are still talking about so how can say Ghanaians don't hold on to movement. And which you and I know say true. And you know, you can't see Nigeria for negative a year. And you say, or more than one being formed their home. But it is like they are more interested in the positivities.
What do you think the Ghanaian media is not interested?
No. That's how I mean. Yes, that's how I mean. Reagan can say, if you don't follow Nigerian bloggers, say good. We don't follow them, but how do we get to know? Say the video coming anyway. Where you say? How do we get to receive the positive news from there? And yet through these bloggers here, what can follow me? It tells you how much they project and your papa or mine.
Same way we also put out the same information about our people.
That's how I mean. It is never the same as selling your money. Never.
Yes.
Me say how? I'm telling how? You just sasa called the same way so from last week and I this week. Sani ya pushing Nema Oya Nana. Sani ya pushing Nema Oya.
Pushing this album.
Album no quite a real na pasan. But Oko Nigeria can't say Ghanaians don't hold on to moments. Anybody can say yes, they love me, they support me. But what me a twisting? That's I call the Ghana for supporting. Me wa video no so ho se profone bi no munti o se de yen video no ho o se Ghanaians support me but they don't hold on to moments e ho na motimi a twist no sa kwa de say Ghana for and supporting no you sit back and go like are they waiting for the people to slip kit where be na omon blast on one said den oh no. We tend to forget that we are all humans. Sarkodie is no superhuman. Difference is Sarkodie is celeb. Many Reagan, normal people. But Sarkodie is celeb. But bear in mind, say, we nipa. Oye celebrity we ni feeling man. We nipa. Obeti me, aye bibi kakra bia so. But how do we tend to see them say they are also humans? Enti said ye mini Reagan and can make kind of boko no. Yen kan we so boko. I want to make a reference. Oh, Sarkodie, oh, started. Look at this. And if you try to explain to the people, say, Say na kwa ne pacha, yeso akodi sika. Yeso akodi sika. As brother I me say so. The last time I set my eyes on Sakode was Jojima. No be the video. I think say you go kill me or say then bisa. That time no. Me hu Sakode da. Since then me hu ne da. So recently as my me shout out to me page.
Yeah.
Me hu no da.
And shout out to me 5 now, Bono.
Oh, no. I have been. Someone sorry, I can shout out.
Okay, yeah.
I've been. Me no, brother me.
You've been working towards this.
I hate bringing people down. Obini be catch now. Bini Sasawale, Stone Boy, whoever. Even Kwame Eugene come out for say be a member na simple kan. Man who say man na hard here. Obaka say me Kwame Eugene die hard fan. Because to get to the top, brother me easy.
Never.
One manager artist, but you know how the work is. Enye easy. And to Reagan, one am no what is. Na so do say ye. Na so kwe bi kakra bi. And people are bashing him or her. And you be me content is idea no.
Yeah.
And you be a obi on man.
Yeah, there and Cofone can I no cry na say.
That be tie. Obi say Raquel. What am say na Raquel.
Yeah, it's true.
Why then? Because I got perform
my own mistake.
Yeah. Oh, brother me. This is make a say. They are humans. Make my mistake.
Yes, that's what.
They are humans. Even your pastors simple commit mistakes.
Yes.
Of course,
And to pastor mistake I make say anything there's no God. Won't cause be man as why? You and I were not there.
That be so that of you be amen say.
What I say brother me? Jamaican say.
Oh come on, he said yeah you need.
Aha, be I don't know. Jamaican say. Omo ye di party singing. So omo ye from so a Yesu sun chim.
No, cause
let's not exaggerate.
You are not getting some point clear.
No, money.
What the money room?
No, the time.
Me try na against bibi so keke na on to aso. Dem pese me che ne say o ka say Yesu sun twima me amete me nya asema e bia currency rich lapiji brass and zola wo na mo beka because omo wo e bia hit fm ne ho awan omo ni me
good ye na me di kan
kan sa akode ya ade a eni e wo sa akode ho dos nti wo beti ni bebre from different places and that doesn't mean say people are stretching
Reagan.
it.
That is
and
why
that also mean hatred.
No,
Reagan. That's why I said say when SAC promoting you those people you mentioned say we were how you are now. Omunyina sorry free form ho be kan bia na. No, enyo bia. But I didn't tell who asema ba dia. Ho do bia fa na tade. Oh, sakode bulu say I didn't hear. The same energy. Yeah, my case can say you say they will whisper your success and blow your failure. That is the syndrome of typical Ghanaian. I'm telling you for a fact.
But the other platform supporting Sarkodie that you don't know. People also will not project. Sarkodie Crown who sa blog now on Twitter. But Ghana Web and our City FM hear the same story. Or better Twitter no. It just our blog no.
Mama share wade.
Wrapping up. Now I Zola.
Ni na unnecessary. The point I'm making is the point I'm making is and yes Sarkodie nko asem ne yeka.
Obia
celebrities, the stars. So mo ho ba sem ma, mo ma yenwene so mo ye nipa. Yensusunka. But time do so more ya at the papa. Yan can and channel holding on to it.
And no na Coscoli person or can say and yes or 5. Name say artist VABB na a koya. Yen holding on to Yasi a bar near that Turbina a can other one. But your opinion also matters. You are part of the show on YouTube Live. You can give us your commentary and again on WhatsApp 024351. Link up and let's talk real show business here in Ghana and beyond. Zola, Yanka Sanema Limin, social media, the media and its activities.
Okay, which guy in there, and I'm very with you or something, you can say.
Okay.
Even in there, or yeah, ritual.
I don't tramado.
I'm not getting my man over for.
Very strong.
I'm going to say rituals, and then when you say the source of money and right there. EFCC reporting and
yeah.
And then someone told me someone. Your social media effort. But I mean, my movie away from when I media not supporting our share. I keep on saying that artists or personalities are responsible for what the media discuss about them. Last maybe we need to xylophone and Sammy Flex as anti-Stone Boy.
Yeah.
Why? Because people didn't know what was going on behind closed doors. There's been several times that issues, negative stories about around the brand Beam Nation, Stonebwoy. Some press I try so very reach out. But oh, you know, so as an entertainment platform, I need to discuss what I have at hand.
Of course. Of course.
Kwame Eugene, Link's family has never been on
Xylophone FM.
Yes, but some press discuss whatever he gets.
Oh,
so you can't tag him say until because maybe what try so very new. Over free, say, oh, and I talk to this, and I do this, and I this, and then only some time. At the end of the day, we'll try reaching out to get a clear picture of your side and try and balance the equation. Yeah. Either over scrapping all the negative one and then project the positive from your end. Minga's Sarkodie is not doing the right thing. Sarkodie has influential people in his team. Sarkodie Akobushu, Wako in Nigeria, Akoye interview. You see, the statement to make you Nigerian. He made the same statement on Hate of Man Dusty.
Yes. So
the same thing. But you see, this is the issue we find ourselves in. Say negative and across the world, negative news travels faster. And then so what do you do as an artist or a personality? You need to get people PR team, very strong PR team who will be doing those kind of jobs for you. Sarkodie Akobushu. How many media people know about it except people who are following Sarkodie? Stonebwoy performed over the weekend. How many media houses knew say I want to perform?
In fact, me I'm a tech criminal.
You see, so if me Sammy Flex and I Zola and Anarega down for Buko showed me that me could travel via empty seat one and
yes.
I'll post that video at the end of the day. What am I looking for?
That's the information you have.
Yes, at the end of the day, that's the information I have. And then at the end of the day, on social media, then I'm here. I need likes, views,
and numbers.
Simple. But if I have a team, when it's a team where they should be, I don't team actual media and say, if you need any information from my camp, reach out to this person. One the whole gang wants a Nipa way, they more right information. And the news comes from different sources, not those people. Now media and discuss it. That's when you have them, you can blame the media, say they are not doing the right thing. But at the end of the day, you don't have anybody playing as a PR for your team. You just go out there and then you expect the media to fish on whatever they get on your social media platform. Remember that we've got other huge platforms who are looking for these views. No mufanya munyama. Into omo munya kakana mono opposite first asa. Onya kakana opposite first asa. Ebe trendy because the person already has the numbers on social media. And if a trendy so media also will discuss on that, will feed on that to do their show. If because ABI Sammy Flex over the years, things are about as say platform with the first time I buy. How many times I try so very reach out to do Sarkodie about shows. So if I try for several times, no, yeah, on try BMC.
You are supposed to be my trying to say
yes.
Yeah. We will give you.
Can on book in the BM. Oh, God, Sarkodie come back because they will me show na plan. Come back. You know this year, brother me. Me can say be our open, but me say we try so be free to the camp of links near that artist.
Oh, yeah, jai that.
You understand?
In fact, let me say, generally, he may have to describe that and for interview crown my jai.
So you see, you know,
I have brains. We will sit and we will discuss issues. In fact, what's by Becca, Opa, Becca, remember.
So that is what will make you feel say, oh, coming me negative.
Yes.
So you are there the day. Negative news travels faster. Who need maybe any research fee?
Wait to them.
No, wait to me.
Yes, I mean, as someone work on. Now, yet a common see Shatawali, Echo, US by, obey a state of the industry address. When inviting media, we are not on a platform. It went viral. Now, at celebrities, a common seminar, will be our account here verified, with the exception of a few. Most of them, our accounts are verified. And they say, Sarkodie, and I can tell you, say, all these big media houses, they follow them.
Yeah.
To the extent, say, President Zemu can follow. And they see as a Sarkodie, what was the Sarkodie could change the picture. I don't know when they are to the page here. It won't go. It won't fly.
At the end of the day,
it won't fly. Yes, relax. And you know, the same way Sarkodie Akobo show, I want Nigeria, they are to the wall. Now, I catch him and say, one fat media, a if one conti. It shouldn't fly.
No, but I say, let me tell you. Let me tell you how the other one flies more. Okocha ni naked photo. And no, the better now you are ABA Mikrompo. So time the man currency ebe post.
Ordinary person. Ordinary Ghanaian. Ordinary.
And the money cost.
So I didn't see the show in the young post.
That like I said, Ebiana Mikrama who
and I make can say
until do
that's what I said. So this is how it's the show no. Zola and currency I'm posting.
No, that is not what the human minds want to feed on.
Charlie, I have my
What the human minds yes, human tendencies.
And you're only in Ghana,
yes.
Yes, I would say guy. Maybe you are posting in your map, we are discussing him in Ghana. Negative news travels faster. Yes, and then you see, no artist can blame any media for picking news from anywhere and discuss. You can only blame them when what's in them the right info and then they choose not to discuss. And then also, nobody is responsible for how I choose or where I get my information from.
But Zola, Saint what is not is nako showbiz agenda. Say okwako promote ne album na senanyom. No ko do ye no. And some kan nyina no. Ne adikiti bia e betimi a bringing it down and air fly.
So if I have a team, I make sure I will get a very good PR in my team who will banter all those things. And I make and the artists this.
So do you think
how many of our Ghanaian artists and I outdoor their PR? If you need right information, link up to this.
Do you think say we are going to stand against all the media houses organs? Some gang up against you. What platform would you
get against you? How?
When you see, so
no, if you don't do anything, how will they gang up?
They will only gang up against me when I'm not doing the right thing.
Exactly.
So if I'm doing the right thing, which is my PR or my team is connecting to every media house and giving them the right info, the media doesn't need anything to know.
So the
only thing the media need is the right information.
So Zola, Sasa called their car say Ghanaians support me, but they don't hold on to moments. Is it wrong?
Okay, so with that news now, be it tweeting Emma this whole issue Emma this whole issue. What is Sarkodie also doing about it? Did Sarkodie reach or send right information to certain platforms? No. So and then with Burna Boy, let me tell you, with Burna, these Nigerians, even here one, they will be releasing you on it. Neba, I am releasing you on Friday. Most of the media platforms know about it because we're reaching out
to them.
Ghana having
so agency. Yes. Burna Boy has agency across the whole world. You know, when we need this, Charlie, no one tweeting and our broadcast message to the media. Charlie, today I'll be on this show 7 p.m. Who can fly? That's the news that will fly. But if one Twitter I might see it as not newsworthy. Because I own my platform. You understand? It's not meaning number me platform carry me posted the cover. And then you are not like I keep saying, you are not like I'm not responsible for what, or maybe you can't blame for.
Zola, let's be real here.
Okay, we are wrapping up on
that. I can add my said Nigeria for project almost celebrity.
Because they have the right plug.
You see, I'm not sure, Costco, you want to suggest in Ghana we don't project our artists.
Brasame, and I make a say.
Charlie, that thing we overdo it.
Brasame, and I make a say.
Brasame, let me tell you something. Do you know what you think the Nigerian media is projecting them? Do you know oftentimes a paid for PR?
Yes.
Unfortunately for us, what we even do for our people, they don't even pay us.
Davido.
So you see Linda Ikeji, huge numbers, supporting this, supporting that. Yeah. You might say, oh, Linda Ikeji, they are posting or you say, boss, you're Tianica. Yen bloggers, I can tell you most of the things they post for artists for free.
Yes, I know. Brother Matthias, but Mr.
The other player hype on the mom, hype on the mom, and that is all they get. But it is not paid for.
Martin, but me can be more handsome. Sarkodie Digana for them. Sarkodie was and can be a chess. He's been ungrateful. As some more kinds of say, Ghanaians support me, but they don't know how to hold on to moment. As some say, what they can.
But then you no kind, you of validate.
Yeah, and they just the answer was not they are no kind. They are host kind.
Yes, they are host in a kind of validate.
At the same time, host in the say. Adentina, na di can fail Apollo Theatre, and son of Benabo Eba. But it looks like I said, one crop for no.
The host didn't know.
The host didn't know.
And that's what I was saying.
The host was ignorant about that.
Yes. So they said the host in ignorance and we can't force up on it. Say host me.
Yeah, that's
right. Validity and I for you have to give the host that information. My people did this.
I need some clarification. Host made mention of BET tweeting the Burna Boy as the first Afrobeat artist. It's not an Afrobeat.
Now you mean Afrobeat? Black Love Afrobeat.
Or them known as even Afrobeat.
Yes, so
it's a hip hop.
But now he claims it as well.
Back then, you were not seen as an Afrobeat artist.
See, there was before that. There was rumors say Benna Boy can't fail and send a sack or the about.
We your friend is Showbiz Daily. We do this live on Samiflex TV on YouTube as well as King Tom TV here in Ghana. Now for information, show no bit me actually wajibi enye omunkwa Zola, Nana Reagan and Koskoli. Omunomo me pandit here for the show. But you can also share your views on the number on the screen. WhatsApp 024-351-4732. Same way, you can also be part of the live chat on YouTube as well. Let's get your opinion on the issues on board. Now, the next topic I'm a person share Samiflex or interview King Paluta. Oko Kumasia King Paluta, a great guy. Now, and I can send you or Xylophone FM, Xylophone TV. A person you share other angles we not yet me discuss it. First of all, King Paluta say when it comes to hits, a grace ni favor the my hits. Now I'm happy say yeah one na your artist management background. Zola couple on there otimi hu nyuma enyi like echo and hu nyum zwa ewu. And of course Koskoli has also managed a big or a giant artist Lord Kenya here in our music industry before. Nana Reagan so I manage artists baby including our own Slim Buster. It goes on like that. Coming, now, what the gentleman is saying is that hits my yen no man way, ya bay yamana hit, you know, or say a grace ni favor. And what it means is near the obey and a bemanum night. So I said, we come a pretty baby. If I then keep a little and Martis or Casa Bulldog, in fact, one of the experienced artists. Managers we have in Ghana, honestly, what cats as you say hit song for everybody, and yeah, she a grace, Nakupon light netozwa, poof, no in your hit. Yeah, I say, and come on, and pa, but I come back to the account of Xylophone FM on Samiflex. Now, yeah, my metro on come on, now come on, and twasso.
And the effort, send you can ya Numa, Bemia Trayashim, but why ye Numa really and truly a Bema Watre Washimako Sawanim.
And Yumna Casano owns me and Casse. A new way, my new way for international. Won't mean Casao.
Okay.
And as I won't mean Casao, okay, me and you are not blue aqua international. Some kind of luck, any favor, any hard work. Sure, I say.
Send you be blown a lack, ni favor. Coupled with hard work.
Who beat me now? Only my man for myself almost stick our industry, no master, no be aqua anymore.
Yeah.
So I say, I don't be. So I won't mean Gaza new way. My new way be bluff when San Quani board or drop a cry and cover beer.
The offense my yen na or second.
That's what I say, a Juma. My new way be bluff when San Quani board or drop a cry and cover beer.
The offense my yen na or second.
That's what I say, a Juma.
All right, King Paluta, Obeka say Obefre Sumai Aguso. Sumai the Nana Reagan and Naka said that. And Rambo share Sumai the home comedy. Na Zola, and they sang comedy on our best started because when I obey Yum growth. Sasana am passe and Yum Behetino. Obie need ye, and yet the obey yen and Beman Yum night. Yes, say, Ubusti Yum no YouTube to the man Yum Nehete. And yes, I'll call interview 100. It's the man you hit here, and yes, oh, yeah, pap to pap promotion, oh, yeah, distribution ye by a favor and grace. I am no crano, Chemo Anka Empon. Mammy, Zula was asking.
I am King Paluta.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. That's argument. I am the person of watching movie. That one here discussing about young talk with sorry and then sorry remix. Can I say a favor, a grace, been a because sometimes when artists are going to know us to be recording at the time, this is the song. No one determines what the hit song is. And I said, we'll be answering that we knew when we breakthrough. There's been so many artists on my recording in Momo release or Mujin say no put away on breakthrough, but no one done Jane Humpo in a breakthrough. So with New York and there, me supporting 100%. Lack in my hit song. Lack in my hit song. Because I've worked with artists, I'm recording me on the new way there, afraid me. So I'm no crampon and do baby. Yeah, we need down.
And echo.
So with lack in the Brasami, a year to my Brasami, a year to my when it comes to music. And then not only in music, but human life, in daily activities, now we are lack. Yes, because hit song, you know, ultimately guys may boost it, post. Okay, but me use recent happenings, I have AC where I think the Stone Boy, blessing. 1 million within a day.
Yeah.
Putu, Putu in 1 million within a day. But when you compare these two songs,
of course.
Over here, Stone Boy crap Putu, no one funny serious. Freestyle, still by being easy. Yeah. With album Numpua, I'm going to say album pushy. None of the songs ever Putu.
Yeah, in the biggest song.
Yes. Other than but meanwhile, or the some kind of energy, share album Putu when you promo. You just release the song. So it's a lack there or a lack man remove your song. Yeah, I made this accession yesterday. Yeah, talk. That Nyakano and an Amish Roman is how to sustain that kind of vibe from Sorry and then Sorry Mr. Stormzy baby. Because from nowhere na Stormzy by I say I'll work with you on Sorry. Meanwhile there were other songs which were banging even more than Sorry. What does it? So from if any laka I thought so at that moment that okay any laka I didn't know artists be to me only one time hit song one whole career. Try. If there's formula, I don't know who uses that formula. And lack. That's I mean lack, meaning the American lack. Without that lack, forget it.
Lack.
And yeah about your creativity.
No, say most lack there. Any you na mummy nyai promotion ye.
Anytime there's been anytime they put 2 years example. So 1 year promo. 1 year promo, that's I mean. Promo bia FIA I think one of us ko releasing new naka I am bigger than we are ka say copy I say copy but about releasing nice tunes all formula you dey hit song can you now say get blow to the level of defense yes lack but I mean, like, about talent, and about creativity, and about the producing no.
Zola, and what the kind of our topic here, like I said, if you want to have your songs on all the digital platforms, Zola can assist you to do that. Now, on also, I can say, like the others are saying, now, let me ask you this: Ebia, what the artist be a chair when you hit that? Ebia, onam artist be also so good. Still, Maya, in fact, share your experience with us on YouTube live chat. Give us your comments, and on WhatsApp. Once you are watching live on Kingdom TV, you can also share your opinion with us. Let's do this. This is Showbiz Daily live on Kingdom TV and on Samiflex TV. Now, my main Koskoli was yeah, the quick one.
You release it a week. May I say a week you will breaking it through. But a week. And your magic to say money. Money is what they say no money.
Okay, yes, Mami too, big man.
Brother man. We can showbiz agenda. We are discussing topic we
okay.
Na me kan yema me nsa. Aluta ba o kan mutu. We can say hard working. Luck. And sunsu. Sunsu. Say sunsu ton so. I said what many hits. Even though artists be a studio when you know how recording. Now, yeah, hanum saying, yeah, terrain. But you can't say the same thing for the Americans and the Europeans. No. I'm going to promote it. Do good song, promote it, it will fly. But yeah, hanum saying, no boy in a sabe and Quasianum. One corner need to twin and Quasianum. But I'm Any message be any contentless song. Okay. Oh no. But said here, Zola Kine. What we say? Album Stone Boy, the resources in a room. And your mileage now, Putu, Enya, you know. I walk, domain, Hanum say. Outside there, it'll be Tino. Oh no. That's how I said, oh yeah, no. My mom, rough and smooth. I'm breakthrough song. I swagger. I'm recording Be Bright, whatever. At that time, these guys were hustling. We share bullets, not a New Testament session in the back pocket, no more or begging 1 CD for go back. And I'm sure on you. And to almost sure I'm saying you made a song by Neto. To them, no, I say, well, feminine field, it's some of them are by that time now, although rice ban more to your friend. Really, your phone, really, or the tiny, beside I don't know some comedy. And Tomoko do studio be back cast. I'm boys, you go about the man, more per hit. And I'm more young when I'm oh, there be anyway there, man.
Sometimes no so muska, otherwise for now.
And now I can't tone it.
Sarah stand as well.
And that's all.
Wow.
And I can't a tone it. It's not who's a guy who also oh, I call you rapper when you be. This time a guy, the boat sweat. Stage yeah. And rap also. And stage 8 we say na be bright. You know, na nkofo you know so I feel I sane ne to abba. And no ma come habo mu no mobile nto. No yes obe bi atoso. And stage kwampo yet was no we mu nim. And to mu wie no. Bulletin kwa ya say na nwom nyen de nto nko. And you down for close to be 1 month. And na be bright from catch omo say wa ma de am de mix na me de ma jemu. And we make up when the verse not also. And no mujim. Omo na pap. Omo to be quote Jerusalem. Omo be no more quote na say no more pay be a credit ama DJ no. Sa. To do be come abamu boy. And I feel the blue here. It be happen to D crime. Really see you go kill me shy yourself. It's a kid almost 2 years. And say you nka say blue. Bless it be happen to
yeah.
It is these hit songs and enya award be out Ghana because time a blow you know na omo date na twam oh no enti lack there bibie mu no ye na Christopher kan favor bibie mu here favor say we ko sharp na pra mu here favor
now it me check now it me check yeah favor na ma ko ya na yo enti me dey me come go to the name me catch you dey say me pe enkwatenten apom din any favor say favor na da so a u bra me office na kan say bra me pe go 10,000 o better ma company refi no beka say watch me no yeah oh no na de enti a emma say the Zola kan no munya hit ni wi a na for most struggle with the rest so me key scenario bi say uti ni ya omo me key say hit ni ba wi a bit say patapa hit ni ba wi a no more struggle with another hit eno ka say nko munim format na nko be say use bi e ho na hard work ni ba mu oh no why establish who we already ama Chatawale Stone Boy Kwame Eugene Kidney Sakodemo edasu weni no hard work no they have the talent it's mura favor na to almost no more capitalizing what I say it is many come out hit it say be let's say baby the things you did the media baby no e wa dwene mo be pay attention to me what I say they can you say many good songs Ke brasa me say wutu o mo border na me do wura ne legugu say me ko chechire o ko ba ma Barcelona ko shegu ye do si je print me kwa boba what the boba but me for me say some wajan professional footballer na ye fa bibi kakra bi nka some wajan obebru what I say it's the fact say bia o kwa ko bompaye no o ko ya paye na ko bompaye no that mean say you should take anything but I'm what I say. Still have to get something,
yes,
a good material.
Yes. And you know, say what the code do sini ho and now so for no ho. Yet to come and say no be because on the man la part with a hit. What I say? What say? Me bu si dinim 4. Me de ba koto ha. Me de ba koto ha. Ba koto ha. La part with a den almost a hit. Do you think say nan kala past 2 time nyoma ye papa na say da ke beblu kemblo and in as much as wa kope sunsun bi dia to so no you must have a good material eye key it is also the showbiz mum die de bia me ka me say eye bonsam ne terrain wo pe ade bia e DJ won bia enti na asofofo no ye wo akohwefo mu ye wo sebe ye wo fake ones no esene the correct ones because Bible no cracker
I say ade bia the gene the
as like e be say stardom bonsam ne je ho e ho what I say
there is evil in stardom.
Oh,
I think gospel artists no my
baby
they are all evil.
Oh no munyina dabi
okay
enyo munyina dabi baby e won ma
o kan be bizarre than Hamilton
dabi na Mr. Brass me ka so munyina na Mr. Nyama me no Mr. Adu grace on the grace god me for be said dina obi a wonim on follow ni nche beka say dina by no ye but me te dina 2007-6 that time na ayi mami we mi yonyame ba menye mo boda Christian Rock no join band bi ansa no bete ne ho abebo mi yonyame ba ne sa ne manem no Holy Ghost wan bi Satan nya this woman was around no bobo ensi we osoro be kasa ene amafo free say oba eno ye no beje award no o si munyene enti ne hard work wa ye nyina na fai aba be bo no Nyankopon say me dia bless him even though award na nya wo dia but me dia bless him
another point
what you say
award ben award
sometimes Nyankopon to me direct bibi ke e fe bi divine petition okay so when you so for nancy ya o make sure no bi ase adebon mazola anya wo dia e wo nua Regan dia but you can petition God
currency
you can petition God through his servants what I say
oh man about side
yes obetima jama say be Bible see your Bible obetima jama what I say but normally no e ba ya na repercussions bi
okay
anya wo dia o what petition no okay me dia mam
but once a year
yes into what deny Zola bear the next 10 years
yeah
what I say aya dia Zola be nya ade ni bi o but what deny no until you bear the repercussions no what I say until no brass ha me be there me come say wo na wiase wa wo nkwa sore wa wo ni busum bia wo som na what is that thing the huro na wiase I'm telling you so before nyame afa ni ye
basum
o ko bon sam so akono ho ye e menye enfin enti wo ye bibia seek for favor
okay
hard work
okay
and then sunsun
me pa chanti mo amoya nyima mo pe hit no ze see the favor ne hard work no ye nim ba bia hwe no obi nim wo antidote na mo ko obi nim wo no ma mo sa favor ne hard work because obi a pe hit unfortunately almost say enye the number of interviews I reckon be my hit enye no and you know go look for the favor go look for the hard work and let's see how best you can also get your hit Nana we're going to wrap up this discussion afi yapon Nana
asam no Canada say with the artist Chida as manager PR whatever one share on ne be ya 100% na emu wa bonten na on share dan the artist na chi on ben no on ne nye adwuma bia o studio record any mo release uni mo share the audio na say na we enjoy dia one share we bia on Kimpaluta enya adwe no kre wo mu ne say brasa me mu be say the kan na any artist e didi artist chipa in fact they na coast colleague kan any zone na aka enyimbu onu ma obefro say Regan ma record enyimbu it ewi bra biti okwa ahun fama ni eniji a odumo studio ho ka say tani we dey tani
nya banga
this my breakthrough song go na anyway me last na gusu me promo me bia ho no no o ma na dream bia budget bia ma ni bia o de na kwa de ba kofa Bubeye bibia you work hard you work right but I've experienced it so many times with different artists and artists back but sometimes you know nipa ni releasing nyom no crap na ebu onyom obebo studio kra na ono fele se vibe with the challenge and she done chibi no krana amanfo so impedo do na obusa artist ni bebre pan say omo monster hits no omo nka ho stories nche omo beka sa me America ya say they did not know say no never.
It's true.
They didn't know. Bebre na do na artist ni bebre na beka. I think say Slim Bastard album Mashewita either Mashewita na Inshira. Also record we no. Oji anyo ne ma executive producer wa ha. And J Salmo Phoebe no. And call UK. Oja ho wa nya interview anya hwe. Nti onopodi also wa to na adwuma no hustle na.
Actually.
E wo UK. And I'm a for started friend. We DJ we never for. Slim I don't know the I be Ghana high. No so far flight
by.
No so buy. No.
Hits.
When susu say sana the empire say e be yes bet. One sometimes who bomb empire say dey be yes bet. Yes sir. But one down do say say now dey ni be bula. I mean you Nana Boro. The time I say me ne ya adwon baby. Nana Boro nyom menu hired. Utie no no kan so say enyum no or record enyum na a che.
So we need a remix on the guy.
Yes, or record it to on no. Or say actually no aye enyum bi mo kra ko di de enyum bi mo kra ko chi amfa. E na later ko the guy ne sa ko ye enyum ni bi. E no be release ye. E na enyum ne fire. Na hard work na we na koskoli kan. The man me ne ya adwini. Obi ti say Nana Boro say. He was working hard. He was not working right. Pastor, me I say we dey be a platform meka.
Yeah.
Patapa after one corner. He is working so hard. In fact, we are working hard in the moon Oh, when you are working hard or yet the was or ye depend to people so they was a charity so for how you say or ye need in he was not right in certain ways in on one crapony writings. The kind of animal now. One say December ni Sydney be release enyum bi. Papa no.
Yeah.
When him dey be release enyum because of the conversation and course around. He was just being smart and creative as an artist to release a song like that. And Kebianka, a woman ka fan name ni man Kebianka or enyum Kebianaka. Or the DHS sometimes you can work right like that. You can think right like that and work hard, go to your studio, record your song, do your interviews and promo and other things like that. But so better na them pa. So better na them aka say me tronyum enyum way me ma me ho 1 month, 2 months enyum be hit there. Obi no obeti na ice kasa. Brasa no obi ni ho.
Brasa me. Wa me age beti me aka.
Oh,
kwa me age beti me really.
Brasa me aka no cresa. Anke mere bi dru na omo decline ya. Akombe yin su sa for matere dey afro bio. Bisa ke dey be release his songs ebre. Say onye so adawo. So
oni
and then no use sa format na pa.
Oni Jackie say.
Jackie, yes.
Enyuma say ke monster hit. That's okay.
Any name.
Lega mi ntwa no. O ka Sydney asem na makai. Sydney ira na wo ba no. Wo keka Ghana celebs nyina bomu ye video bi.
Yeah.
E go yin fa. Anko baby a omo bon TV so bob.
I think na ye be same way.
Ye be same. Yes.
Sometimes no emre any favor nessa anyama ni e county obrasa me uyi enya anyum to mu nkra nipa ye ko ba be obi betimi aba brasa me ho brasa me betimi aye bibi special bi ama be yin nipa na betimi aba brasa me obenya the same thing.
Yeah, of course.
Obi betimi afa phone na friend na Chayana, I want make you meet me, make we have some meeting about my promo bi then. Ebu okra what day nyan no all do ye sika na akwa ji o. Bibi on pusu se ko.
Yeah.
But bibi fa phone na fro, o ka so tamale kra ka so chale ene me ba next weekend. Pro bibi utimi se bibi show. Sa akwa we kona ko meeting no ko ye say. Ye ni whether o jina media sa feeling we are making. Obi enye bi.
Yeah.
Wo tanda wo pie fi wa wo dem krapa. You say baby a wo ko no feel it right
you say
Charlie this they make a dog. Baby go on my sorry yeah so say no this story challenge I forget this one the menya moto menya the be say phone na me call yes anya mana mu na bia wo na ma wo ye wodwuma no na wo bom pa say wo benya the right feeling no na wo dey ye edwuma na any drop here edwuma na nkofo aso mama I think say onipa bet maka say o sa favor me power Ghana bet maka say that the lumba
it's true
sir
yeah
oh, yes.
it's true
say e kan obi pa ye say o say wa drop here nyom e bi onu krapo no bi betimi dey na ya argument say lumba choro nyum bi o bet maka say be
yeah
but yes enye way sir
and it's true
enti eye ase o we nya sa enum tuo mu favor no and o drop here Ghana ha no mba no ebu 90% now e ma so nyum a onso
we be some by force
e ma na so nyum o umpo be some because once so magajo no umpo bi umpo bi o once everybody na me tonight is be meetings ba fe na omudi nkomo na when we are having meetings omudi nkomo say omunya yanka a man kwan your fans because of the man there so what about girl boy you ya over here it was also by force over say by force
so I know here today I am kwanda anima emema dey bogus
what dey buy wo mu
ama age dem
na black label ni coke
na na chai na me oh yeah ma Friday abandon
it's right I mean the kind there why you do nacha because sometimes on the man artist be taking paluta but who taking paluta or your talent and kasa
yeah
me de bia me transmit me kaboom ho adwin bam ti na me tie me ya
enya nkwa
basa me tie me ya o kaboom ni kwame Zagi
oh
yeah kwame Zagi
say you na anya monster hit up to now me mentia say
Kaboom Stone Boy start go there
yes
yeah no that's you tell you no Sun bianto so
of course that is the conversation we are having here
that song should have
Haji say no friend well how's that
that is the conversation we are having
Zakari.
There are a lot of you bet me examples we there are a lot of songs out to say even yeah Brian or Fire na Amachi Dede crap no brass me unim say Amachi Dede ebe peja ya na ye huntimi nye show Ghana ha onfa ne din ento so at the time na onye ne man ti be ma na oye ejuma din say me recording me say that is the time youth ne yes say oh high life that is the time Amachi Dede nyom ebe jina ye enti sa favor ni we ni dey brasa me eye ejuma papa eto so
e ma pekre wom na jai
sale ba jabo de ko fe ye
ma
pe so
na brasa me ubetimi apo ba bia for back on twa o season na wo kan boy na wo twema wo ni wa twema wo
e ya vibes na
vibes ubetimi na cheap month yes after say that could go on man no go match wa twema ya ni season na Rogan na kan no time and season
every time I do kind na say be happy I na say dem want dey be a obo anyway so that was just by the way say oye musician na o shine na omrenso ya e mare ho cry
Baba Sam ebi ni won so omo last week Saturday week artist bi ba cry FM opam ni manager opam ni manager how dey use answer ade what say o ko interview the manager he was say how long na why music the manager so what age ni what are music you got 12 years
26 year old rapper
12 years you got me I say o ja ni to you got 12 years na hiti ya o hiti ya o ma ya te so bra better
anyways guys thank you so much like I was saying if you're an artist know why your name far Emre Name like Nana Reagan said, are you working smart or you are working hard? These are the things you have to consider. So to me, now there, yeah, one day, sa glory no. In fact, it may also 2 years to come. What me baby? Minimatis we almost hit 2 years.
Busy for bedroom.
In fact, within a year. Only to me far. Not a COVID and
some people are glad to me they actually free.
Oh yes. That is be on talker. By a talker because of that.
Now, but the panel on you watch a degree.
Thank you guys so much. Koskoli from the extreme left, followed by Nana Reagan and Zula. Great guys in our showbiz space. They are all available on social media. So if you want to contact any of them, feel free. Let's link up and do more. And let me also say thanks to the producers of the show. Digital Rasta is Currency, Richie Flakes, Yao Lapiji, as well as Tina Baby and Gideon Ni Lamtesin. My name is Sammy Flex. Be part of what we do on social media, online, and everywhere. Anytime, let's vibe on WhatsApp. This is our show, Showbiz Daily, on Sammy Flex TV and Kintom TV. My name is Sammy Flex. We're out of here.